Hi guys! So today's video is all about the 5 simple things that you can do to transform your face from looking really drab to absolutely fabulous. And these are 5 simple products in 5 simple steps, and that takes less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Depending on your priority, you can choose to do all of these steps or maybe some of them depending on how you like to wear your makeup. So the first thing that I feel can really transform a face is doing your brows. Now, depending on how sparse or full your brows are, you may want to skip this step. If you have sparse brows, well, doing your brows at least a little, just touching them up, giving them a well-defined shape, can really change how your face looks. So if you are a fan of brows and you like to keep them a little trimmed, a little full, then I would suggest using either a brow pencil or brow powder or just a cream, anything that you find easy to do your brows. And even if you don't want to use any of these products, you can just use a brow mascara, whether it be a clear one or a tinted one. And trust me, even if you don't do anything else, just grooming them in place with some gel can really change the way it looks. The second thing I like to do with my face is to put on some mascara, because I think this really opens up the eyes and hence just brightens the face and just makes you look very awake and fresh. So pick your favorite mascara, and even if you have a minute, it takes about a minute to do, just run your lashes with some mascara and you will see the difference it makes to your everyday look, even if you have nothing else on, maybe just some lip balm. The third thing I like to do, and this is when I do have the time, is put on some blush, because I think blush can really change the way a face looks. It adds some color to your face as well as adds some contours, because when you put on a BB cream, CC cream or just foundation, it kind of tends to blank the face down. So adding some kind of color in this area tends to chisel the face just a little bit, so you don't need to go over with some contour or bronzer, because really nobody has the time to do all of that unless you're really wanting to be extravagant that day. Step number 4, and this is a bit of a priority when I'm really rushed and I just have time to do these 2-3 simple steps, mascara being the first one and highlighter being the second. So I like to put on a highlighter whenever I do have that extra minute, because putting on a highlighter makes your skin look beautiful and glowy and radiant firstly, and even if you're suffering from some kind of skin issue that day and it's just looking very dull, I feel like just a simple step like a highlighter can really transform the face and make it look very beautiful and glowy, especially if you spray your face with some setting spray after that. It takes less than a minute, but it looks like you tried and really took care of that skin. And the last step and the 5th product that you can use to really change your face is some lip color, of course, because otherwise the face tends to look a little bit too dull. So whether you're gonna wear lip balm, lipstick or gloss or just any kind of lip color, but just putting something on your lips can make it look very nice and fresh, so look like you tried but without having to go through all of that effort. So these were the 5 simple things that I like to do when I'm in a rush, and which I think can really transform a face even if it doesn't involve a lot of products, because you don't have to do the whole shebang, all of those 10-12 steps to make your face look very put together and beautiful. So these are my 5 simple tricks. I hope you enjoyed them. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, do share the video on all the social media platforms that you are on. It would really help my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will catch you again in my next video. Bye!